Hello composers, Mike here. How do you set all notes to the same length in Logic Pro X? Let's find out right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So let's say you have a beat like this. And then you add a part that you want to have the same note length for each note in this part. Well, there are three ways that I use to do this. The first one is to use the MIDI Transform feature, which is if you go into the piano roll editor for this region, you can select all notes, then up here, Functions, MIDI Transform, and then, let's see, Fixed Note Length. This brings up this window where you need to decide here how long each note should be. And this is basically the 16th note, the quarter notes, and the full bars. So you need to click on this if you want to, let's say, have 16th notes. This is 1/16th note. Select and operate. Now all notes are 16th notes. If you click this and make it number 2, that means 2 16th notes or a 8th note. Select and operate. Now these are 8 notes. And you can make them even longer by using, let's say, this one, but that's not applicable in this case. So that's how you use the fixed note length feature in the MIDI Transform options here. Let me undo this, like so. The second option is to first select all notes, and then right-click on one of them and use this Force Legato, trim note end to following notes, which will remove the gaps between the notes. And you can use this either as a starting point, or if that is what you want, simply apply it. Trim note end to following notes, Force Legato. As you can see now, all notes are the same length, but these are 8th notes. Perhaps you wanted 16th notes. Well, since all are selected, you can simply hover over the right edge of one of them and drag it to the left. Well, now all are 16th notes. And now the third and my favorite option, which is to first select all notes again, and then you press Alt or Option key and Shift. So Option key plus Shift on your keyboard, hold those down, hover your mouse at the right edge of one of these notes, and then you click and drag either to the right or to the left. And as you can see, all notes are now the same note length. And now here's my bonus tip for you, and that is that you can use the same kind of technique to set all notes to the same velocity value as well. Simply select all of them, and instead of using the selection tool, you use the velocity tool. Then hold down again Option and Shift. Use the velocity tool and drag. Now I hold down the velocity tool, the Option key and the Shift key. Now if I drag down or up, you can see all notes become the same velocity as well. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends.